Lassie Farm here. People ask me all the time, what do you feed these dogs? Well, Chewy.com, their brand is called American Journey, and it's good stuff. No corn, wheat, or soy. It's grain-free. Of course, they get into the cracked corn that the chickens eat and gobble it down, so it's like, well, so much for grain-free, huh, Lassie? And this is Lassie here. She's just about 2 years old. Huh, sweetie. Yeah, good girl. She's my pride and joy. And this is Oscar. He's about 9. Yeah, good boy. And this is Nutmeg. And she's been here for several years and gets along with everybody. Oh, good girl. Yeah, come here. Yeah. And the dogs protect her from predators. And we all get along pretty good.